Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this quick and easy video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up your BT Wi-Fi Extender 300 using the WPS method. It's the simplest way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage, no cables, no apps, just a fast, hassle-free connection. Begin by carefully unboxing your BT Wi-Fi Extender 300. Inside the box, you'll find the extender unit along with a quick start guide. Gently remove the extender and ensure it's in good condition before proceeding to the setup process. Begin by plugging your BT Wi-Fi Extender 300 into a working power socket. Ensure the device is properly connected and switched on. Now, wait patiently for the power light to turn solid green, indicating that the extender is fully powered and ready. Next, find the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. It's usually labeled WPS and may be on the back or side of the router. Press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. This puts the router into WPS pairing mode. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS button on the BT Wi-Fi Extender 300. The wireless light on the extender should start flashing. This means it's trying to connect to your router. Now that the connection is set, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it in and wait for the lights to stabilize again. Make sure the signal is still strong. Grab your phone or laptop and connect to your Wi-Fi. Test the speed in the area where you had issues before. You should now notice a much stronger and more stable signal. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert guidance and troubleshooting. Call us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable support. And that's it. You've successfully set up your BT Wi-Fi Extender 300 manually without using WPS. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.